Hola, hello, I am Pepe the King Prono Guy.
Oh, that's so f***ing cool. And that's how we completely destroy a powerboard on a Leader 120. Nice.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you a little bit of some MacGyver work I had to do. I broke the top plates on my Diatone GT R90, and I looked, and they don't seem to be available anywhere to get replacement plates. And I want to continue to fly it, so as I've mentioned in other videos, I like to create my own parts and print them out in 3D printing, so I have created replacement top plates for this craft. And I actually took the liberty to extend the front ever so slightly in order to get my camera off of the board. It was sitting like right against the board, and I think that's where I'm getting these funny lines through there. So I went ahead and moved out. Right there's where I broke it in the front, and I actually ended up breaking the back too. Once I got it, the whole top had been shifted to the right. What I was doing was a power dive, and I ended up in some bushes, which in my mind really shouldn't have done it, but it did break it. So like I said, so I'm going ahead and creating and printing out these new sets of top plates for it out of PLA. And I don't know, it might end up a little bit heavier, but this model is so powerful, I guarantee you I'm not going to see any difference at all. Again, if you are looking for a 3D printer, please look in the description. I have links to this particular printer I have, and I'll also put a link up in the right for my initial review video on this MonoPrice Select Mini version 2, which I actually got for $139, which you can also pick up at that price by just buying the open box. Mine was open box. The only thing that was wrong with it is the person didn't know how to set the bed plate there. So once I reset it, that's the only thing I can imagine they sent it back for. I have a brand new printer at, $70 off. So, but I do have links in there to some other places that have also budget printers that are under $200 that work great too for what we're doing here. There you can see the plates. They're 0.5 millimeter plates, and they weren't even bonded together so to be a 1 millimeter plate. They're just two little ass plates, and they're super fragile. I mean, like I said, I'm a little disappointed in Diatone on these because everything else they do is so wonderful. I was just surprised to take that apart and find they were some just cheap ass, the frickin' carbon is all running the same way too. That we're getting no rigidness in that carbon at all. So anyways, I believe I'm gonna get some more out of this. You can check out my review of the Diatone GT R90 as well. That'll be in the upper right, and we're also still giving away the Leader 120. You can sign that now on your right at the top. And again, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, tell your friends, all that good stuff. I plan to do giveaways every month. Obviously, I don't have a lot of followers, so you're going to have lots of chances to win. Thanks.